Old Town Beatdown. January 10th, RPW. Guess who has arrived? Karma. Now, I've heard I'm going against Adrian Diamond. I've heard a lot of amazing things about you, and I'm truly, truly excited to meet you. But the main question here is Karma in your favor? We'll just have to find out. Until then, say your prayers and repent. Because Karma's a bitch. And so am I.